अच्छा सुनो, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और उसके बगल वाली घंटी को तो प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना। Hey guys, it's Ayushi. Welcome back to this channel, and if you are new here then please do consider subscribing. Here I have created this look and it's my birthday glam makeup look, so if you're interested in knowing how to do then please keep on watching. Already done with my skincare and primer, putting this Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my face using my fingers. Now taking a damp beauty sponge, I am going to push the foundation in my skin. Applying the foundation on my neck area as well to make the complexion even around my face and neck. You can even choose the BB cream or CC cream for your daily purpose. So yeah, it's totally upon you what you want to use. And now I'm putting this Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my T-zones where I need to hide my darkness and pigmentation. Using the same damn sponge, I'm going to press the concealer in my skin, and yeah, I'm just going to push it on my skin to hide the darkness and pigmentation around my face. For setting my base, I'm going to use this Bharat and Doris loose powder, and it's an amazing setting powder, so you can definitely give it a try. I'm putting it all over my face to set my base, and you can definitely give it a try. It's amazing, really amazing. So for my eyes, I'm going to use this Hot Smoking Eyeshadow palette from Nykaa and put that grey shade on my inner corners of the lids and over half of the lids. So yeah, that's how I am doing this. And for my outer corners, I'm going to put that blue shade using that flat brush, and for my inner corners, I use that same brush that came with that eyeshadow palette, and using that same color on my lower lash line, that blue, I'm going to put it on my lower lash line completely. For liner, I'm going to use this Black Magic liquid liner from Nykaa. Again, Nykaa product, amazing liner, black, smudge proof, and just darkest black you can see. So I'm going to extend it to create a wing, and going to put it on my lower lash line, increase it on my lower lash line, you can see that. So yeah, that nice dramatic eyes. And to fill in my eyes, I'm going to use this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, and going to fill in the gaps wherever it is left. So guys, it's really not necessary that you have to use the same products to create this look. Whatever you have, you can definitely use those things and create up this look. So it's just not necessary to use the same products, just go for that what you have. And for contour and blush, I'm going to use this Nicka K blush palette and put that brown shade to enhance up my features all over my face, and using that orange color for my cheeks to give my cheeks nice flushed finish. And for highlighter, using this Makeup Revolution Pro Highluminate highlighter. It's amazing highlighter, and applying it on the usual areas to give my face more brighter and glowy finish. So just applying it on my cupids too. For lipstick, I'm using Nykaa paint stick. On the top of that, I'm going to add this MAC Toppy, and just giving it a little more color. But still, I felt that the color is not good, so I had added NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick Miami Nights on the top of this. But you can see that it is not here because I did it behind the camera. So yeah, and for my lashes, I'm going to use this Oriflame Wide Open Mascara, and just curling my lashes to give more enhanced look to my lashes. And to overcoat, I'm going to add this Hypercurl mascara on the top of that Wide Open Mascara to give my lashes more natural and bigger finish, and also illusion of that falsies. So if you don't want to apply falsies, you can coat 2 times, or you can apply 2 mascaras, and you're simply done with that falsies, and you can get that falsies lashes look immediately without using that falsies. So yeah, that is how the finished look looks like. Then do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and do share this video with your friends, and please do tell me how I am looking. and how is this makeup looks. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.